If you want to unsubscribe from Lightroom, this video will show you the official way to cancel your Adobe Lightroom subscription quickly and safely. I'll also show you what to do if the cancel page does not load, so you still have a backup method to reach Adobe Support. And before we get into it, if this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more simple software guides. Let's start with the main method. First, open your browser and go to account.adobe.com. Sign in with the Adobe account that is linked to your Lightroom subscription. Once you're signed in, look for the Plans and Payments area, then click on Plans. This will show you all of the Adobe subscriptions attached to your account. Now find your Lightroom plan in the list. When you see it, click Manage Plan. On the next screen, you should see the option to cancel. Click Cancel your plan and follow the on-screen prompts. Adobe may ask a few questions about why you're leaving or offer you a different plan, but if you want to unsubscribe, continue through the cancellation steps until the plan is confirmed as cancelled. If the cancel page does not load, don't worry, because there is another official route. Open a new tab and search for Adobe Support, then click the Contact Adobe Support webpage. Inside that support page, look for the section called Cancel Your Plan. This should open the Cancel Adobe Trial or Subscription window. From there, you should see a chat option. Start the chat and tell the support agent that you want to cancel your Lightroom subscription. In most cases, the agent can process the cancellation for you directly. This is a good backup method if the website button is not working or if you're stuck in the cancellation flow. Now here's the part you should not skip. If you cancel within 14 days, you may qualify for a full refund. If you are on an annual plan and you cancel after 14 days, Adobe may charge a cancellation fee, which is usually around 50% of the remaining balance. If you're on a monthly plan, there is usually no cancellation fee and the subscription typically ends at the end of the current billing cycle. So, to recap, go to your Adobe account, open plans, manage your Lightroom subscription, and cancel your plan. If that doesn't work, use Adobe Support Chat as the official backup. That's the safest way to unsubscribe from Lightroom. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.